Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a rental car on the trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then in the middle you can find the car rentals option, so tap on it. After that you should select your pickup location, so click on this first box at the top and select your pickup location. You can also indicate if your drop-off location is different by clicking on this box, and then indicate the drop-off location. But if it's the same as your pickup location, then just leave it intact. Then click on the pickup time option to select your pickup date and time. Then click on the confirm button and set your drop-off time as well. Select the driver's age and then click on the search button in the middle of the screen, and you will be able to search or select from the available cars. Tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. Here you can see the deals. As you click on it, you can check out what it includes. Then click on the button continue on the right side, and after signing in or signing up to the app, you will be able to finalize the process of renting the car. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.